plus xy. Now if I have x squared y plus xy, I can't add that anymore. That's as simplified as it can go. Here, because they both have the same variables, but they're unlike terms. Because here both the x's are not, you don't have the same power, so they're unlike. Here they're alike because all the variables are raised to the same degree. Each variable is raised to a degree of 1. So you can add them. Here, I cannot add this because this is really x by x, y plus xy. So you wouldn't add those. Each is its own entity. xy is different from xy. You don't add them. Here where you have xy is the same as xy, therefore if I combine them I have 2 xy's. That's not the same here. Now let's expound more on this. Remember, we talking about numbers in the form ax to the power of n. Anytime you see a variable, it has a numerical coefficient by it. So we can have 2x. 2x, or let's start with here. We'll say x equals 1x, which equals 1x to the power of 1. 2x equals, we'll say x plus x equals 2x, which equals 2x to the power of 1. We'll say x plus x plus x equals 3x, which equals 3x to the power of 1. We have 4x's. X plus x plus x plus x equals 4x, which equals 4x to the power of 1. Now I want to go through some practice problems with you. Now let's say we have some terms. 5y plus y minus 6y squared minus y squared. 5y plus y minus 6y squared minus y squared. Now which terms are like here and which terms are unlike? The terms that we can add are the 5y and y. We can also add together the 6y and the y squared, or the negative 6y and the negative 6 and the negative y squared. You see here, we have 5y, that's equal to 5 times y, or 5y's. Here y is equal to 1 times y. We're still dealing with y when you're adding them. So that's going to be, that's a 5y plus 6y, meaning 5y. That means if you write 5y's, it means y plus y. So 5y equals y plus y plus y plus y plus y. So 5y plus another y, that's 6y. If I take that add another y, that's just 6y's. So here, get 6y there. And that's for, now here we're adding two negative numbers. You're going to add two negative numbers. You're going to add a negative 6 plus a negative 1. It's going to give you a negative 7. So that's added. So here, so you add that, but we just say bring down our negative sign. You know it's negative. Negative 7y squared. 6y minus 7y squared. Here we're going to do negative x plus 3x minus 4x squared minus 9x squared. Negative x plus 3x plus a negative 4x squared plus a negative 9x squared. Remember, we're always adding in algebra. There's no such, we don't really call things subtraction. We always call it, you're always adding. You're just adding a negative number. Now here we add this negative x plus 3x. That's the same as saying 3x minus x, or 3x minus 1x. (3x minus 1x). Now, with an equivalent way you could do this is 3. You could say, you could take the numbers out of that, do it like that. 3 minus 1, and therefore you get 2x. So that becomes 2x. Here we have two negative numbers being added to each other. So we know the result is going to be negative. So, and we're dealing with, these terms are like, you can add these because here you have x squared. The degrees, or the power for x, for this x is 2, for that is 2, and that's why these terms are alike, but reference to these terms here, they're unlike, because they have different degrees or powers for the variable. Here, the variable is 1. The degree is 1 for the variable. Here, the degree is 2 for the variable. So basically, just add the numbers and attach the variable. So 9 plus 4 is 13. So you get negative 13x squared. Negative 13x squared. So we had 4x plus 7x minus 3x to the power 4.